So just we're awaiting for the CLP meeting. So let's see what High Command tells. We obey that. No, it's up to the party. See, party knows everything. If High Command tells, what High Command tells, we follow it.
Normally it happens in CLP meeting that all the MLAs express their opinion.
No, what
But
High
after that,
Command?
one leader
No.
is
What
selected.
takes High Command decision? Every MLA, we obey it.
So this time a command is there from the High Command.
It's not command. See, High Command is a MLA friendly.
Okay.
So what High Command tells, we obey. It's our responsibility to obey the High Command.
So it is certain that Mr. D.K. Kumar will be announced as the next CM.
Yes, certainly, sir.
Okay. There are number of people were there in Delhi. Probably you were also there. Sir, what's
See, sir,
kind of
just it's our request. There are many seniors. If seniors will get an opportunity, we are very happy because many seniors are there. Those won elections twice, thrice, they will get an opportunity. Well and good. As a newcomer, as a giant killer, on various factors I requested. If High Command gives well and good, we work hard. If not, also we work. We came to the party without trusting the ideology. So I am a congressman. I am a party loyal man. I will work for the party. Even many times I told I am ready to I am ready to work what party assigns me a responsibility.